Hi everyone, welcome back to the mentor. This is data entry project number 21 and we have another data entry project. So I will be showing everything step by step on this video. So let's get started. So first I want to show you the client instruction and then I will be showing you the work process. So here on the screen you can see the client is saying that your responsibility is to search that directly. Here is the website URL, okay, and he's in for business listed under the category car and truck accessory and each city mentioned and the okay below. He also provide me another URL which are from Wikipedia. Okay, so what I did, guys, first let me just go back down here. You can see it's a name, full name, fixed number, primary contact number, website and Facebook. So this is the client requirement, guys. It's very simple. So first what I did is I just copy this URL, guys, okay, and I have already searched it. Here you can see this is the URL which the client provided to me, and he also provided me this some cities. Here you can see this is the cities which are mentioned here. So the client basically want from us that you have to collect car and truck accessories, okay, from the following city which he already provided to me. So these are the cities. You can see there are multiple city. Now this is a long big project, long-term project. So the process are very simple. I will be showing everything step by step, so just keep watching so that learn exactly everything. Okay, so first what I will do, first I will just copy this category which is car and truck accessories. Okay, so I have already copied this category, okay, and then I will open this website which the client already provided to me. So here, guys, what we will type the category which we are looking for. So here you can see I have already put the car and truck accessories, okay, and then here you can see the client the website is asking from us that where mean in which location you are looking the data. Okay, so I will simply copy the first city name here. Okay, so I will just copy the city name, okay, and then I will paste it here. So this is very simple technique. Okay, so first you will need to search here like the category. So we already put the category, then we put the location. Okay, so for example, when we complete the whole project, I mean the first detail which we got from this city, then we will copy the next city, okay, and then we will put this city here. Okay, so now we have we are going to start the process. Later I will also show you how to find another city detail too. Okay, so simply I will just click here on search. Okay, after clicking here, now we will directly move to the next page which is yellowpage.ca. okay, so now you can see there are multiple data, guys. Now we will start collecting data from this, okay, from this web page. So now you can see we got 5 results from this city which is Toronto, which are a city on Canada. Okay, so now what we will do, guys, first we will just open this website, the first business. Okay, so we will open the business, and I have already, guys, created Excel sheet. Okay, so here I have already put the name, then full address, then fixed number, then primary contact, okay, and then website, and then Facebook. So you will need to create a Excel sheet. Okay, if you don't have MS Office, then you can use a Google Sheet too. So now we will just open this page. Okay, so this is embarrassing, look like yellowpage.com is temporary and available. Okay, no problem. So now you can see here the name is already mentioned, so I will simply okay, now it's working, guys. Now you can see this page has been opened, so I will simply copy the first name. Okay, so just copy this action car and truck accessories. Okay, so we will simply put it here. Okay, now I will go back in here, guys. If I just click on this okay, phone number, so now you can see we got 2 number here. Okay, one is primary and one is fixed. Okay, so first I will copy the primary number. Okay, so just copy the primary number, and here I will simply paste it. Okay, just paste it here. Then I will go back, and now I will copy their fixed number. Okay, so just copy their fixed number. okay, and then paste it here. Very simple process. Okay, now go back, and again here you can see their location address. Okay, so just copy their location address. Okay, after that we will paste it here. Now only two things left, website and Facebook address. Okay, so we will just go back here, we will just go down. Okay, and here is their website. So you can see their website address is already mentioned here, but their Facebook page is not available. So to find their Facebook page, we will go to their website. So let me just open their website, and here if I just go down, they have also mentioned their social media. So we will also check this URL too, if they are giving us the correct Facebook page. Okay, so I will simply copy this URL, okay, and I will paste it here. Okay, now guys, you can directly copy their Facebook page from their website. Okay, if you just go here, you can see their Facebook page is mentioned here, but they have also provided their Facebook page link here too. Okay, so we will also open it. Let's see what we can get here. If their Facebook page is similar, then we will copy their Facebook page from here. Okay, so we will just verify that their Facebook page too. Okay, and so let's wait until their website has been open. Okay guys, now you can see their Facebook page has been open. So here now you can see they have around the name are similar, and also their address are also similar. But let's see, let me also open this Facebook page too, which are Facebook page which are available in their official website. So we will check this Facebook page and this one. If they are both are similar, then it's mean we can directly copy their Facebook page from here too, guys, if it's available. Like in this case, their Facebook page is also available here, so we will simply just verify that. Okay, so if they are the same, then we will directly copy their Facebook page from here. Okay guys, now you can see this Facebook page is also similar with this one. So as me, now we can directly open their Facebook page from here, and we can directly copy there. Okay, you can guys also, if you just click on it, okay, and you can also copy direct their link address too. Okay, so let's just copy this link address from here. Okay, and we will simply paste it here. Okay, so in this way guys, we have complete one entry. The process are very simple. Now you can see we have already complete one entry. Now we will move to the next entry. Okay, so I will open this. Okay, I will remove cut them, because we have already copy data from the first lead. Okay, now I will go back. Okay, I will click here. Now we will go back again to the first page, and now here you can see we have 5-page result here. Okay guys, so now we will open another website. I will just simply click on it. Okay, I will click on it and I will open this website, and again we will collect the data from here. Okay, and you can also guys directly open their website from here too. You can see they have their website is already available here, so you can directly open their website, and then you can collect data from here. But let me just check what we can get from the second entry. Okay, now if I just go back here, you can see guys they didn't provide, they have only provide their business name and their location, and they have provide their phone number. You can see primary phone number, but they didn't provide any other information like their website and also their Facebook page. Okay, so you can see guys, but we will try to see if we can get information. Okay, so let's copy their their business name. Okay, so we will copy their business name and we will simply paste it here. Okay, and then we will copy their location address. Okay, so just copy and then paste it here. Okay, now we will go back, and here if I just click on this phone number, and here you can see we got their primary number. Okay, so we will simply copy this. Okay, and we will paste it here. Okay, Now we will try to search if we can get their website and other information. So I will simply select all this, their business name and also their location, and I will click here search for Google. Okay, so I will just do this. If we can get, then that will be perfect. Okay, now you can see guys, we got this information here below. You can see it's their website URL maybe. So let's just open it. So this is the yellow page. You can see we already opened their yellow page, but their website was not available. But below here you can see guys, there are some information which are similar with that. So let's see if we can get the correct detail. Okay, so guys, you can see their business name, okay, and below their location address is similar. Okay, so it means this is the correct website which we got it. Okay, so we will simply go and we will collect data from here. Okay, but you can still verify their location address. Okay, you can see this is their location address. So if I just copy this location address, and if I just Control plus F and Control plus V, here you can see guys, everything are similar. You can see the on road concern 4K, everything is same. It means they are the correct leads. Okay, and also you can see their business name are also similar. Okay, so this is the correct lead guys, and we will simply copy their website URL. Okay, so we will simply copy their website URL and we will paste it here. Okay, and now we will go and we will collect their Facebook page. So just click on it. Okay, and here is their Facebook page. So just copy their Facebook page and paste it here. Okay, now it's time to copy their fixed number. Okay, so let's see if we can get their fixed number from their Facebook page. Okay, I mean their location. So here you can see guys, they have USA and also Canada. Okay, so in Canada you can see they have provided this contact number. Okay, so we will copy this number. Okay, let's copy this link address and let's see what we can. So we will simply paste it here. Okay, okay guys, now you can see we complete 2 entries. Okay, the process are very simple. You will need to complete this project on this way. So if you have also watched my previous video, I hope you have learned a lot of things. So in this way you will need to work on this project. Okay, so I will cut this too. Okay, I will also remove this one. Okay, process are very simple. Now you can see when you complete this, okay, then you will need to remove this. Okay, and you will need to copy another city. Okay, so just copy another city and paste it here. Okay, and then you will need to click here on search. Okay, after that you will need to wait. Now you can see we get 10 result. Okay, on this page. Okay, so we got 10 result. Okay, now you can see these are the businesses. So in the same way guys, now we will collect data from here too. Okay, so first we will open this website. Okay, and we will copy this website name, and then we will their business name, then location, then phone number, and then primary. Okay, everything. So if something is missing, then you can skip it. Okay, but first you will need to try to find the information which are available here. Okay, so if it's not available, then you can skip it. So when you complete all this data, then you will need to remove this, and you will need to go and you will need to copy this. Okay, just copy this. Okay, and then you will need to paste it here. So most of the time guys, when the client is hiring you for this type of project, they will give you per hour $4 to $5, okay. But some client, maybe they tell you that, hey, I will pay you $100 or $200, just go and collect all the data from this website by using this simplicity, okay. So it depends on you and your client and also on your experience, okay. But I will recommend you to try to practice on this so that you can get practice and you get experience, okay. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any kind of issue, please let me know. See you in the next